Okay, here we go. Bradley's Transformer costume, 2008. Okay, stick your arms out. There you go. Good pose.
Good pose.
Okay, can you transform?
Yes. Cool. We should take a picture of that.
Oh,
There
good
you
job.
Go. Get your hands in.
Get your hands in. Now you're an F-15 Eagle. Good job. Wow, are you flying really fast? Are you flying really fast?
Yeah.
Mr. Autobot? Okay, transform. Transform.
But Daddy, I want... Can't we take it off?
You want to just transform one more time, buddy?
Okay, I just put the strap on.
Well, it's okay. Get back in this trap and then transform.
Okay, I just need to slip it back on.
And then we'll be all done. Good job. Okay, walk to Daddy. Okay, ready? Okay, so one more time, transform. Last time.
One more time, transform. In 3, 2, 1, no.
Transform.
Transform.
Oh!
That's why you could have been on your knees, Bradley. Okay, stick your arms out. There you go. Uh-oh. Scoochie him over just a little bit, Mama. There you go. Good job. Good job, Bradley.
Okay.